I do this every single day, 10,000 steps without fail. As simple as that sounds, what it required was an entire overhaul of my life. I spent 7 years of my life as a personal trainer, taking spin classes, client sessions, but then 4 years ago now, all of that stopped when I went full-time on YouTube. For the next few years, I would spend 10 hours sat at a desk every day, editing, scripting, recording. What I didn't know then was what this was doing to my body. Shoulder pain, back pain, hamstrings so tight I could barely move properly. Now, people say there's no magic pill that fixes all of your problems, and they're right. But there are specific products that can completely change how you live, and I found 10 of them. Product number 1, the reason I'm no longer outside. As soon as I started using this treadmill every single day, it did not take long at all for all of that pain that I had accumulated to completely disappear. Now look, you may be thinking to yourself or prepared to comment that you don't need a treadmill to get your steps in. And of course, I completely agree, you can easily go outside for a walk. But I'd also argue that, will you though? I tried this. I really didn't want to spend the money to buy a treadmill. I told myself that I would go on walks more, but the habit just never formed. It never became a thing that I would actually do every single day. And that's simply because there's just too much friction involved. So removing that by getting a treadmill solved that whole problem for me. It's small and light enough so that I can pretty much take it anywhere in my house, in the living room, upstairs, in the office, while I'm working on the computer. It almost makes the task of walking impossible not to do when you have this thing. Even if you're someone who has the spare time to go outside for a walk, or maybe you enjoy it more, the convenience of having this treadmill means that you can break up your workday super easily. Quickly step on it for 10 minutes and then get right back to it. Having this thing has made a dramatic difference in my life. And look, this thing is not exactly cheap, but it's not as expensive as you might think. I paid $250 for this one on Amazon, so it's not some $1,000 investment that you have to put into it. So yeah, overall, this $250 is probably one of the best $250 I have spent in my entire life. Right, this next product solves a problem that I just know I cannot be alone on. It's the AirPods Pro 3. Now, I get it. I'm about to talk about the world's most popular earphone. You don't need me to tell you these are good. But the interesting part is the fact that I have never been able to wear earpods until these. I have tried every previous generation of AirPods, a bunch of other different brands, and every single time I try and use the ones with those little rubber things that go in your ears, they pop out, they're uncomfortable, and it never sounds great. Realizing these things just do not work with my ears, I resorted to heavy, chunky, over-the-ear headphones. But in doing that, I gave up the simple convenience of being able to walk around with this in my pocket. That was pretty annoying. Now, I was super apprehensive about trying these things because they are expensive, and I also just did not think that they were going to actually work for my ear. Either way, I ended up trying them because my brother bought these, and it turns out this just happens to be the one product that all of Apple's claims are 100% accurate about. These things have quite literally never fallen out of my ears, and I wear them to the gym, while running sometimes, like in so many different scenarios. It's unbelievable how they stay in your ears. I get perfect sound, perfect noise cancellation, and I just cannot tell you how nice it is to be able to carry around this, which fits in my pocket, versus something like this. Absolute game changer. Another product that I thought about recommending, because it truly has changed my life, is a standing desk. But honestly, the impact of getting a cheap treadmill off of Amazon has helped me way more than this thing has. But this next product changed my life in the most literal sense. For years, the people around me, my friends and family, made fun of me when I mistook a road sign for something that it wasn't, or read a number plate completely wrong. Eventually, I was convinced to go and get my eyes tested. Now, to be completely honest, I absolutely detested the idea of going into a facility where they would diagnose me with a problem that they would conveniently be able to sell me the solution to. But as I reluctantly went in, the eye doctor hit me with a splash of cold water, telling me that I do in fact need glasses. So I left that facility with a pair of damn glasses. My life significantly changed in one day. How are people not making this a bigger deal? I can see so many things. Look at all of the tiny specks. The texture on these joggers. I look like 10 years older. Now, this is a very hard thing to describe because it is kind of so subjective. But I can now see things that I have never seen in my entire life. What used to just be black lines on a sign in the distance are now actual words that I can read. Point is, I was practically blind and now I can see. And if you, like me, have never had your eyes tested, this product could potentially change your life, like it drastically changed mine. Right, okay, this one is super simple, and it's not gonna take long because I understand I'm in the bathroom, it's super echoey. Super echoey. But believe it or not, for years I was buying shaving cream. I'd grab my archaic razor, which needs replacing like every week. I'd shave the stubble and wake up with ingrown hairs and get razor nicks. Until I bought this, an electric razor. You know what getting this thing feels like? It feels like before I was chiseling my to-do list in a slab of rock. Versus with this, feels like I'm just typing on a computer. It's faster, it's more simple. You've got this thing which you can attach and do different beard lengths. This is super easy to replace. It just pops off. These things are pretty cheap and you don't have to replace them that often. I do it like every month. But since we're in the bathroom, we're on the topic of grooming. Where my broccoli boys at? The product itself is called Wavy. It's this little tube here. They call this the Everyday Curl Cream. It's an all-natural curl cream that has been an absolute life changer. I spent years going through so many different products to figure out what actually makes my hair look good, and they're all trash. So many different brands, so many different products, and they all just kind of kept my hair looking like frizzy or just really flat and weird. But then I bought this one and it's just literally so simple. You put like a tiny bit on your hand, you rub it into your hair after the shower, and then it's nice. It's got texture, the curls look good. Literally got me from battling with terrible hair every single day to now just, well, battling with terrible hair some days. This next product is not niche at all. And I strongly believe this could almost drastically change anyone's life like it did mine. And I'm talking about an activity tracker. Now, I use an Apple Watch, but there's a bunch of different ways that you can go about it. You could probably find one that counts steps for like 20 bucks. The main thing that changed my life and why I'm talking about this product is the 10,000 steps every single day. Generally speaking, it helped me in all of the same similar ways that I was talking about when I was talking about the treadmill. But now there's like so many different studies and different research that goes over like literally doing more steps in the day helps you literally live longer. So even just aside from all of the benefits that I experience where, you know, my hips and knees and back doesn't hurt anymore, there's also things like getting 10,000 steps a day has helped me feel less tired, giving me more energy. It's helped my sleep. Obviously, the pain has gone away. The list goes on. Point is, it keeps me accountable and it actually makes me do it just having that number on my wrist. And just like the treadmill, sure, you can get your steps without something like this. But again, will you though? This next product has a host of different reasons why it's changed my life, but for me, it's not even the most obvious one. And yes, the product I'm talking about is a pull-up bar. And there's a host of different reasons why this pull-up bar could change someone's life. For me, it's not even the pull-ups. What I do with this thing is I just hang. Yep. This is what I do. In fact, start the timer. So every day when I walk into this wardrobe, I just put my hands on this bar and I hang for as long as I possibly can. Just like the Apple Watch, I've gamified this as well with trying to beat yesterday's time. My current record is 3 minutes 40 seconds if anyone's interested. But what doing this every single day has changed for me is completely fixed my shoulder pain. I used to have a really bad impingement in my right shoulder. It's getting a little bit tough now. But the gravity just pulling your shoulders out, stretching everything has completely made that disappear. Now, there's a host of other health benefits that come with hanging, not just fixing shoulder pain. But even if you don't have any shoulder pain or don't want to hang and you actually want to do pull-ups, like that is exactly what this is for. And again, you could be like, well, yeah, I could do pull-ups at the gym. But again, will you though? Having this above your head and so easily accessible every day just makes you actually do it. It reminds you, when you see this thing in the doorway, you just jump up there, bang out a few reps. And this thing is like so good, just 40 bucks off of Amazon, and my arms are burning, and little by little this changed my... All right, look, let's get serious now, okay? You wanna know what actually changed my life? Cracking open an ice cold Monster. What, you think I'm doing all of this stuff by just running on good vibes? No, an ice cold white Monster specifically is in my veins at this point. Jokes aside, I actually don't recommend a caffeine addiction to anybody else. Yes, I would actually say White Monster did change my life, but for the better? I don't know. One of the single most important things that had probably one of the largest impacts on my life was staying hydrated. And no, I'm not going to talk about hydration powders. I'm going to talk about the vessel. I cannot tell you how long I spent trying to find the right vessel to drink enough water. Something that was actually good enough that I would actually use on a daily basis. And none of this worked. I used to carry around those huge gallon water jugs everywhere because I guess I thought, more water, more drink. But I would always forget it. I couldn't take it with me in the car or unless it would just roll around. And if you ever dropped one of those things, they explode for some reason. But after trying pretty much every single different water bottle, jug, or different shaker cup, this is the one that truly changed my life. It's called the Owala bottle, and granted, it's pretty popular. You can pick them up at Walmart for like 30, 40 bucks, but it is the most genius water bottle I have ever seen, and it's so simple. So you've got this, which acts as the handle, so you can carry this around. It's the right size to actually fit in the cup holder of your car. The handle actually doubles as a locking mechanism, and you just press this button and it pops open, ready for you to drink. And the cool thing is this little opening here, it has two different holes. This one is for when you just want to actually drink like a cup. Water came out, or you could just sip it with the built-in straw. It's also fully metal, so your water's not sat around in plastic all day. It is the only water bottle that I actually have continuously used, which again, like a lot of these different products, that seems to be the key, the stuff that you will actually use over time. Right, now this next one is going to seem obvious, but it's kind of not at the same time. And then when you actually try it, you're like, what the hell was I doing all my life? For as long as I can remember, buying a new pair of sneakers was always about style. What looks the best? Jordans, Nikes, these are all the shoes that I would buy. But it wasn't until I actually started to think about buying the most comfortable shoes until I realized how uncomfortable these are. Now, comfort is somewhat subjective. Some people prefer the super max cushion squishy shoes. Other people prefer barefoot shoes with a wider toe box. For me personally, these are the types of shoes that completely changed my life. I used to go on trips where I would be in a city doing like 20,000 steps a day, recording different stuff in Jordan. These things would break my feet, my hips, and I just get home at the end of the day feeling destroyed. And trust me, once you find a pair of shoes that you can wear all day long doing 10, 20,000 steps and feel great at the end of the day, it is a game changer. Now, I've done plenty of different top 10 lists, and my search for the world's most comfortable shoe is pretty well established. Definitely recommend checking that out if you're interested. Oh, and if you are someone who doesn't like the super max cushion stuff, one of the barefoot shoes that I absolutely love wearing is the Own Project ones. Those things are comfortable and they're also flat. Nowadays, I really do prioritize comfort. That doesn't mean I'm never gonna wear Jordans, because there's definitely a time and place where I don't care about comfort and I just wanna look the best I possibly can, pull off the sickest outfit. But Lord knows I'm never picking up these things when I know I've got a long day on my feet ahead of me. Speaking of comfort though, that's not just something you need for your feet, you need it for your entire body. And this is the world's most comfortable hoodie. It's called the Cloud Hoodie by Unlucky Cloud, a brand founded by two very distinguished gentlemen. And look, yes, it is sold out currently at the moment, but we got more on the way, don't you worry. Now, yes, it obviously changed my life because I own the brand, but owning the most comfortable hoodie, I would argue, is pretty life-changing for most people. Now look, all of these products have had a significant impact on my life, but they also all cost money. This next one is completely free, and somehow it's been one of the greatest things I've incorporated into my day-to-day. It's not only changed my life, but completely transformed it. And what I'm talking about is silence. For most of my life, I became addicted to noise, to the point where silence was almost scary and something I actively avoided. Every moment in my day, I would fill silence with anything. If I'm brushing my teeth, I'm watching a YouTube video or listening to a podcast. I'm driving, I'm listening to music. If I'm making food, I'll have something on in the background. It became something I didn't even notice I was doing. It was a habit. It was automatic. But it wasn't until I decided to face my fear of silence that I realized I was never giving my brain a chance to actually work. This whole time, my mind was just passively taking on information from music, videos, or movies. But when there's nothing to listen to, I found my mind started to actually think. It started solving problems, making connections, and coming up with ideas I would have never had if I drowned it out by filling the silence. In a world where there are endless products and endless ways to consume, I somehow found that the best product I own costs nothing, and it was there the whole time.